Dedicate, dedicate, dedicate. 1. To give a lot of time and effort to something because you believe it is important. She dedicated her life to helping the poor. He has dedicated himself to scientific research. 2. To officially say that something, especially a book, song, or building, is in honor of someone. The author dedicated the book to his parents. The monument was dedicated to the soldiers who lost their lives in the war. 3. To use something for a special purpose, often in a religious context. The new church was dedicated in a special ceremony. This temple is dedicated to the goddess Athena. It's been a pleasure having you here. See you around. Bye.